Want a car that follows light? Or want to see a car that changes brightness? Hi, I am Manish Gupta and welcome to CyberSox. In this video, you are going to learn how to make light following robot. Light following car uses LDR and servo motor. Servo motor changes the direction of LDR to detect which direction has strongest light. And LDR will detect the light. So whichever direction is brightest, the car will move in that direction. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybersox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybersox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Connect right motor 2-pin cable to RM port and left motor 2-pin to LM port. Now connect 3-pin cable to servo motor and other end of the 3-pin cable to S1 port. Now connect 3-pin cable to LDR sensor and other end of the 3-pin cable to analog port. Put LDR here. Connect 4-pin cable to OLED and other end of the 4-pin cable to device 1 port. Now place the plate and put OLED. Let's open our Google Chrome and search Cybo Socks and hit enter and visit cybersource.com. Click on learn, choose documentation, click on projects, search light follower. Now scroll to flowchart. Let's move forward to understand program logic of our robot. Now understand flowchart of our program. We are starting program. We are connecting OLD and LDR. We are setting our servo motor initial angle to 90. Then we are reading LDR values, printing LDR value. Then we will stop the car, scan the light in 0, 90 and 180 direction and choose the direction which has highest light and move in this direction. Then we will stop the car and set the servo motor to 90 again. Then we will repeat this process again. Now let's understand algorithm. We are connecting LDR sensor, servo motor and defining functions like forward, backward, left, right, stop, starting infinite loop and we will start scanning our light. Then we will scan 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and pick the direction which has highest brightness and move in the direction which has highest brightness. Recenter to our servo which is 90 degree and repeat this process again. Let's code our program. Let's scroll to code building steps. Step 1 is creating sensor pins. We are creating OLD with the help of create OLD, LDR with get analog LDR, servo motor with get PWM servo motor and setting initial angle to 90. Go to pins and sensor, pick get analog LDR, write LDR. Go to pins and sensor, pick get PWM servo motor, write servo. Now go to OLED display, pick create OLED block. Now go to ESP logic, pick set servo angle block. Second step is read from light sensor. To achieve this, we are going to use read analog block to read values from LDR. Go to control, pick while do block. Go to method logic, pick true block. Go to variables instinct, pick create variable. Go to variables instinct, pick value, write light value. Go to ASP logic, pick read analog LDR value block. Now go to OLED display, pick print lines. Go to variables instinct, pick string block, duplicate it. Write light follower servo 90. Go to method logic, pick str block, duplicate light value, put it here. For the third step, we are going to define scan function and we will see the light value in the 0 direction. Go to functions, pick define function block, write scan light, pass parameters servo and LDR, go to functions, pick one value block, write servo, duplicated, LDR. Now we will create two variables, create variable, go to variables instinct, pick variable block, write best angle, put it initial value 90, duplicate this, write best value, initial value will be -1, Now go to ASP logic, pick set servo angle, write 0, go to time, pick wait block, duplicate create variable, write value at 0. Go to ASP logic, pick get analog LDR value, go to control, pick if block, go to operators, pick comparison block, choose greater than, duplicate value 0, duplicate best value, go to variables and string, pick change variable value block, write best angle, duplicate value block, write 0, duplicate change variable value block, write best value, duplicate val 0 and put it here. For the step 4, we will see the light value in 90 direction, and for the step 5, we will see value in 180 direction. Now duplicate these blocks, write 90, duplicate, duplicate, write val at 90, duplicate, here write value 90 is greater than best value, then best angle is 90 and value is 90. Again now for 180 degree, duplicate, write 180, duplicate wait, duplicate if, write value at 180, best angle is 180, best value will be value at 180. Now go to functions, pick written block, duplicate best angle. Now we will call the function our scan light and store the value of best angle in our best angle variable. If best angle is 0, we will move in the right direction. If best angle is 90, we will forward. Otherwise, we will move left. After 0.5 second, we will stop, reset our servo motor. Duplicate create variable, name it best angle. Go to functions, pick call function block, write scan light. Duplicate the parameters, put it here as arguments. Now go to control, pick if block, click on wheel icon, pick else if, else. Now go to operators, pick comparison block, choose equal to, duplicate best angle, duplicate value block, write it 0, duplicate the block again, write here 90. If value is 0, we will move left. Go to car actions, pick set left motor, right motor block. For going left, we have to set left motor to anti-clockwise. West angle is 90, we will go forward. For this, go to car actions, pick left set motor, right motor block. Both will be clockwise. If best angle is 180, we will move in the left direction. Duplicate this block. If best angle is 180, we will move in the right direction. So right motor direction will be anti-clockwise. Go to time, pick wait block, write 0.5 second. Now go to car actions, pick stop both motor block. Now go to ESP logic, pick set servo motor block. Now let's compare flowchart with our program. We are creating OLD LDR. To achieve this, we are using create OLD and get analog LDR block. We are setting servo to 90. We are setting servo to 90. We are reading from LDR. To achieve this, we are read analog block. We are printing LDR values. We are printing LDR value on OLED. We are stopping and scanning light and choosing which direction is brightest and move in the direction. For this, we are using scan light function and calling it to check which direction is brightest light, and based on this, we will move in this direction. After this, we are stopping and resetting our servo. We are stopping and resetting our servo. To achieve this, we are using set servo block. Great job! Now you can make a car that follows the light and a robot that changes the brightest direction. You can visit our documentation. We have obstacle avoiding with light following car. If you have understood how to detect light in different directions and choose the brighter direction to move, then like our video and subscribe our channel.